So I got this in the mail today, and kind of looking at the box, kind of got squished here. Let's see, we'll have to see how the painting came out. I don't think it should affect the painting at all, but anyway, this is from RhinestoneGoddessCreations by Lauren Vaughn, who is a sole proprietor for this company. And she has her group on Facebook under Rhinestone Goddess Creations, and that's how you order her paintings. She shows them on there, and she's got an album, and you can thumb through all the pictures and then message her on anything that you would like to have more info on or that you want to purchase. So I've been dealing with her for a couple of years now, and I've always had good service from her. So I hadn't ordered in a little while, so I saw this one, and I really liked it. So I opened it already because I wanted to see, you know, if it came out bad. So it's, you know, going to be a little messed up. But to tell you the truth, it came out really nice. And here's the picture of it right here. Girl in the, with an umbrella and the flowers. So I'm going to open it again. I wanted to seal it back up because I just wanted you guys to see how it's come, and it's nicely wrapped, and it was folded really nice until I opened it up. So we'll go over this in a minute. That's the inventory sheet. So the name of the painting is Rainy Day, and it's by Cindy Emery. And I haven't purchased any paintings by her yet, so I wanted to try this one. And there's Lauren's email address, RhinestoneGoddess22@yahoo.com. You can email her with any questions. Best thing to do is to message her off her Facebook group page, and she usually gets back to you. Now this is a round painting, and it's 45 by 57 centimeters. Yeah, that's kind of an odd size, but I guess that's the best size for it to come in. That's what's really nice when you want to purchase a painting. She finds out what the suggested size is for the painting so that you'll get the best results and the clearest picture, which is nice. So I'm going to open this again, but I'm going to let you see it, and I got a better view of the painting this time. Okay, we'll go over all this in a second. Okay, so I'm going to turn it this way. There are 56 colors in this painting. Isn't this beautiful? I love all the flowers. I just love them. I'm a flower addict. I have several gardens in my house that every year produce the flowers. I just love them, and I love the fragrant ones. So this one being Rainy Day, she's got her umbrella, as you see right here. And I like it that the umbrella matches the same colors as all the the flowers. So it kind of looks a little misty in the background since the rain is falling. And they've got the street lamp on there. And just looking up here, it's just the top of the buildings. And she's got her raincoat on. And she's walking down the sidewalk between all these flowers. It's just really pretty. Do you like that? I do. And there's her, there's Rhinestone Goddess, her logo right there. Okay. So now, oh, and the other thing about, oh, yes, we'll say how the box didn't hurt the painting at all. As you can see, it's nice and flat. We'll roll it over here. There are no wrinkles in it, no creases. It's beautiful, nice and soft. It's got the felt background. It's got the serged sides, edges, so that it doesn't ravel. And this kind of, you can fold it, and it comes back to life. The other nice thing about her paintings, you can always get a clear, the symbols are very clear on here. She never has any problems with that. I don't know if we can get a nice clear, there we go. See how clear they are? So you never have any question about what symbol, what drill goes where. Okay. Let's look at our inventory sheet. So here's a list. There's a nice picture of it there. The only thing is if you take this out first, you don't have the name on the inventory sheet. And, or I think is it on here? On her labels? Yeah, she comes with all the sticky labels that you can put on your containers. But there's no name of the painting. You have to open up the painting to see the name. So, I don't know if she can fix that or not. There are 3 ABs. Count them, 3 ABs. And a new thing that's coming out now is the shimmer drills. We've got some shimmer drills, and they start with the ZG, as you can see right there. Get a close up, and there's the 3 ABs. So we're going to check those out and see what those look like. Anyway, it's a beautiful painting. I love it. It's so colorful. It's nice and springy. Here in Washington, we're heading into spring, and today we have the worst rain that we've had in a couple of weeks. It's just been nonstop since last night, and that's how our spring is here. So she's going through the same thing with the rain there. Okay, I'm going to move this up a little bit, and we're going to come over here, and I've already showed you the labels. This one's kind of ripping already, but they'll do fine. And so that's cool. You don't have to print up your own labels. You can use these. And here are the drills. Now we'll see if we can. Okay, so let's check out the AB drills. I'll turn the painting this way. My laptop just went into a time mode. I had to get it back there. So here's the drills, and I'm looking for number 52, which is the first AB, and it's 605 AB. So let's get these open. Let's get these open. I've only been, only had to like return one painting that had really bad creases in it, but 99% of the time I'm getting a nice, flat, smooth painting from her. So I am impressed with that. Okay, so here is one of the drills. This is number 54, which is a 995, but it's in an AB. So look at all that shimmer. And I'm sure this is going to go around in the blue flowers. There's some dark blue around the edges here. And the symbol is an arrow, a pink. No, this is 54. So this is a blue, like a Greek symbol. And I think it's in the dark blue. Oh, and it's in her jacket right here. These, oh gosh, that's going to be ABs through her jacket shine. It's going to make her jacket all shiny. Ooh, that's cool. Okay. The next one is 53. And the 53 is a 742 in an AB. And see the shimmer in that? Those are really pretty. Yeah. Shimmer. Nice and shiny AB. And the 52 is the arrow. Okay. So right here, here's where there's going to be a lot of them in this light pink area here. and in the flowers here, and in the light pink flowers here. Oh yeah, they're going to be, oh, let's see. Oh, and on our umbrella, this is all going to be ABs on the umbrella here, and on the rooftop here, on the shade that the roof awning, it's all going to be ABs in there. Oh boy, this is going to be a beautiful painting. Beautiful painting. Okay, so let's look at number 53 is a 742. That's orange, and that's going to be the what I call the U-turn symbol. And see how pretty those are? AB. I love ABs. Yes, I love ABs. And those are going to go in, okay, I see them in the orange here, and the orange flowers. And let's see, are they in? Yes, and the windows here is going to have ABs in them, that orange AB. And this right here, that's another window. That's going to have the ABs in there. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. So pretty. And here's 55, and this is a shimmer drill. It's a ZG number. And this is kind of got the pie symbol. So this is a light blue. Okay, let's turn it this way. Come on. Yeah, these are, you could see the shimmer in there. Not as quite as shiny as the ABs, but they do have a shimmer. So that's expected to be a little less shiny, but it still has a nice, let's see, can I get it closer? Yeah, see the shimmer in there. Okay. And that's going to be the pie symbol. So we'll look in the blues here. I see one here. It's a light blue. One in there. Oh, here's some other light blues here in these flowers. Let's see. We got some in, let's see if there's any. Oh, here's some in her umbrella. Yeah, her umbrella is going to be all nice and shimmery too. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, and the last number is 56. Do we have it? Oh, here's the 56. And this is a white shimmer. So let's see if we can show those. A white shimmer. And you could tell a little bit with the glare of the bag. It's hard to see. Can I move that up? Will it be clear? Kind of see it a little bit. Little bit shimmer. Like I said, they're not as shiny, but they do have a shimmer to them. You can't really tell on the, but I can see it really good. Trust me, I can see it really good. And that number, 56, is, that is another one of those V's with the lines going through it. So we got it here. Okay, let me fix my laptop again. Okay. We got them in here in these little white lines on the windowsills. We got them in here. We got them, let's see where else there's white. Let's see. And we got some in here lining this part here. So anyway, that's beautiful. It's going to be fun to do. And it's just the right size, 45 by 57. A little bit longer than the 45 by 50, but it looks like a comfortable size to work on, that it won't be hanging over my easel on either side. It's going to be very comfortable and hopefully fast doing. Being rounds, it's going to be faster. I'm used to working on squares a lot, and yeah, those take a little time, but a round painting, and I think the round is good for this painting to get all the, because the round drills do a little more sparkling than the square. The squares make it more of a mosaic look. So, but the rounds, it's going to be all twinkly, twinkly. That's going to look nice. And then if you want to see what the rest of the drills, here are all the colors in here. Here's all the colors. You want to get a little bit closer and see. Okay. And I don't know if it's going to get a little clear. A lot of times on my close-ups on here, it gets kind of blurry. If you want to see the ABs and the shimmers again, I'll get them up here. There we go. See? And this one is a shimmer, I believe. This one. You can kind of see the shimmer there, see? And let's see the shimmer in here. You can see the white. I can see a little bit through the glare. And the ABs, the blue ABs, the orange ones, and the pink ones. So we're going to have a beautiful, beautiful bright painting here. So anyway, that's it for today. I wanted to show you that, and I just can't wait to start it. Let me back up a little bit here. So all the information about Lauren's Facebook group and her how to get hold of her will be in the description box of the YouTube. If you have any questions, leave me a message on, you can write in the comments. If you like the picture, write in the comments that you like it. And so all other information, my Facebook group, her Facebook group, any other information I can think of will be in the description box. So anyway, I'm going to stop because I have a hard time usually ending these things. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to say goodbye now. And we will talk to you on the next time around. Bye.